Hi, friends. Happy Friday. It's Friday, which you know what that means? It is our spelling test day over the words that we've been learning about in our sight word time, as well as some words from our word family of the week. So I just want to remind you our word family of the week is UG, G, U, G. I'm going to give you a little hint there. Okay, so if you're watching this video, friends, that tells me that your paper is ready to go. You have your pencil. You are ready to go. So before we start, I just want to remind you and your family that moms, dads, aunts, uncles, grandmas, grandpas, whoever is helping you learn today at home, they cannot give you the answer. They cannot tell you what to write, how to write it, things like that. The only thing they can do is help get your paper ready. They might help you run the video. If you want to press pause, you should be pressing pause after each word that I read, so that way you can write it and then press play. They can help with that, but that's all they can help with. I want to remind you that if you're having trouble thinking of how to spell a word, that's okay. It is okay. If you make a mistake, Miss Rudolph will not be upset as long as you're trying your best. But I do want to give you a hint. Make sure you're trying to sound them out if you get a little stuck, okay? So before we get started, I just want everybody to take a deep breath in. Hold it. Blow it out. One more time. Deep breath in. Hold it. Breathe it out. All right, we're going to be nice and calm and positive. You got this. I believe in you. Just try your best, and that's all I want, okay? All right. So on your paper, you should have numbers 1 to 11. Remember, I'm going to say 10 words that you're going to spell out and write down. And for number 11, you're going to take one of those words and write a complete sentence. Now, remember what a sentence means, okay? There's a couple things that you need to have for a sentence, and I'll give you that reminder when we get to number 11, okay? So number one, please put your finger on number one. Number one, can, can. Can you buy me a candy bar today? Can. Number two, put your finger on number two. Number two, said, said. I said I was going to go to the store today. Said. Number three, put your finger on number three. There, there, there are 4 kittens in a basket. There. Number 4, put your finger on number 4, please. Number 4, use, use. May I please use your pencil? Use. Number 5, please put your finger on number 5. An, an. I would like an orange, please. An, an. Number 6, hug, hug. I want to give you a big hug. Number 7, please put your finger on number 7. Bug, bug. I saw a bug outside. Bug. Number 8, please put your finger on number 8. Jug, jug. I would like to buy a jug of sweet tea, please. Jug, jug. Number 9, please put your finger on number 9. Number 9, mug, mug. I love drinking hot chocolate out of my favorite Christmas mug. Mug. And number 10, you almost made it. You're almost there. Number 10. Please put your finger on number 10. Great job, you guys. You're doing great. Rug. Rug. I fell asleep on the rug. Remember what a rug is? It's like a carpet, okay? Rug. All right, friends. So now what you're going to do is if you have 1 through 10 written down, okay? If you missed any, you can rewind the video. But if you have 1 through 10 written down and you're ready to go, for number 11, you can take one of those words, just one, and make a complete sentence. Now, my hint is don't forget what a good sentence needs, okay? Once you have your complete sentence, please take a picture of your spelling test and put it on Cecil. Great job, you guys. I am so proud of you. Have a great day and have a great weekend. I'll see everyone on Monday.